Ha-fa-day. Since the release of Guam's PUA online application process, the Guam Department of Labor has noticed many claimants are erroneously inputting information in many of the same areas, or are making many of the same mistakes when registering and filing their weekly claims. In an effort to correct future claimant errors, we have put together this list of the top 10 most common mistakes claimants often make. Number 1. Understanding the term unemployed. Unemployed, as it relates to PUA, means that you have been furloughed, laid off, or you are working a reduced number of hours than you did prior to COVID-19. Number 2. When asked to provide your last day worked on your initial claim, remember to input the date your employment became affected as a direct result of COVID-19. For instance, if you were furloughed or had your hours reduced on April 8th and were recalled on June 1st, you would list your last day work as April 8th and not June 1st. Number 3. You must be able and available for work. Able and available means that you can work and that if given the opportunity for employment, that you would be willing to accept. If you claim that you are not able and available to work, you will not be deemed eligible for PUA benefits. Number 4. If the system doesn't allow you to proceed to register for PUA based on your Social Security number, contact web admin at dol.guam.gov to reset your account. Do not key in a fake number to try to proceed to register. Doing so would constitute as fraud. Number 5. Upload documents to identify yourself, to verify employment and income, and strengthen your claim. If you have not uploaded these documents, sign into your account to do so. Otherwise, you may wait to be contacted by a DOL customer service representative. To avoid delays in receiving benefits, the documents you upload must be legible as it will be reviewed in determining your eligibility. If you are on a work visa or have a green card, you should upload these documents instead of mailing or faxing it in. Number 6. Whether you have one or more jobs, you must claim all income received for each week you file a claim. For example, if you have 2 jobs and remain gainfully employed in one but lose the other, or have reduced hours, you must input income received from each source. To do this, make sure you add your employer for each of your jobs, whether or not they are affected, at the work history portion of the registration process. When inputting income received, you must account for wages earned, paid leave, pension, or any other taxable income received for that week. Do not file a separate claim if you have 2 or more jobs. Number 7. Do not send your personal information via email if you are requesting assistance on a claim. Providing your claim number, first and last name, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number is sufficient enough for us to pull your claim and assist. Number 8. If you opt for receiving your benefits via direct deposit, double and triple check that your bank and routing account numbers are correct. This is where you will receive your benefits, so make sure it's going to go to the correct account. Number 9. If you are unsure of how to respond to any of the questions, stop and contact us at 311. Doing this will ensure your complete claim is correct and will save you from contacting us from technical issues, as we are currently experiencing a high volume of claimant errors and requests to resolve. And number 10. Take the time to review your application and weekly certifications to ensure they are error-free to expedite receiving your benefits. Remember, upon submitting your claim, you are certifying that all information provided is true and correct, and that you acknowledge that any false statements are punishable by law and could result in a fine, imprisonment, restitution, and a loss of future benefits. However, for applications and claims that are complete and error-free, the Guam Department of Labor will process claimant benefits within 21 days of receipt. For more information on how the Guam Department of Labor can assist you, visit our website at dol.guam.gov.